Biker life is not a hobby, it's a lifestyle. It's the early mornings before the road wakes up, the sound of engines echoing through valleys, and the unspoken bond between riders who understand that freedom has no schedule. It's not just about the ride, it's about the mindset, the courage to chase horizons, to embrace uncertainty, to find yourself somewhere between dust and sky. In 2026, live the lifestyle that calls you. Ride across Vietnam with friends. Feel the heartbeat of adventure, and let every kilometer remind you that this is living.